What's up everyone, welcome to the first video of 2021. This is an exciting one because I've got something really cool that just got added to my equipment family. Something that I've been wanting to get for a couple of months now. I've been looking around for different deals and etc. And I finally decided to get it just before Christmas. It was a little bit of a horror story to get it, but it is with me now. So please welcome DJI Mavic Air 2. I ordered it 3 days before Christmas and I was told it's going to take 5 working days for it to arrive in store. So I waited patiently. So 5 days passed. No emails, no calls about it being delivered. So went to the shop, asked about, where's my drone? I paid for it, what's happening? So they said it's going to be another while longer, come back to us on Wednesday. So I came back on Wednesday. And they were like, we didn't have a delivery today, it is definitely not in today. It should be in by tomorrow or Friday though. Came Thursday, nobody called. Came Friday, nobody called. So I figured if they will have it in stock, they will ring me. So I waited until the following Monday to go and check if they have it, because it's become a bit of a joke. It was meant to be 5 days, it turned out to be 3 weeks. But anyway, I went in yesterday and I got it. So I'm going to be unboxing here with you. So I didn't even open it yet. I waited to open it with all of you. I don't really know what's inside. I was only told to get the Flamware combo because you get a lot more out of the price that you pay. So let's go ahead and open it. Actually, may I say, this is surprisingly a lot heavier than I thought it would be. When I was picking it up in the shop, I had my phone and my wallet in my hand, and I was trying to slide it off the counter and it almost fell. The guy was like, do you need a hand with this? Or do you want a bag? I was like, no, thank you, I'll be fine. Because I'm a strong independent woman, I don't need no help. Let's get rid of this plastic wrapping. Alright, let's open this up. Nope, not yet. Let's have a look at what's supposed to be inside the box. So, we're supposed to have a travel bag, which comes handy, but I will probably be keeping it in my backpack. An aircraft, which is the drone, the remote controller, some cables, 3 flight batteries. I thought you were getting 1 extra, but it seems you're getting 2 extra. Power adapter, some more cables, propellers, 6, which is really good. I'll probably end up losing them. Battery to power bank adapter, which is, I'm guessing, a charger, and defilter set. What? That is actually really handy because I was looking at buying a set for an ND set of filters for the drone, and I'm so happy I didn't get it now because it's actually in here. USB cables, some control sticks and manuals. So it seems like there's quite a lot in here. So let's have a look. Okay. Let's go. Why are those things always hard to open? Alright. All nicely packed. That's the manual. And I'm guessing everything else is in here. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. You guys don't even know how excited I am about this. Honestly, for so long I've been wanting to get a drone and it's finally here. Oh. Okay. That's the remote controller. My very own drone. Ah, can't believe this. Alright, and what's in here? There's a lot of pockets in this. But there's the batteries, cables, right, it's actually quite a handy bag. Is there anything in here? No, this is empty. Lovely little bag. Might not use it. Let's go ahead and open up the controller. Why do they always package those things that it's so difficult to open without ruining it? Alright. Now how the hell do you... Okay, this is how you take that out. Let's see if it's going to fit my phone, because that's the most important thing. And it does. It fits nicely. Don't have to remove the case. Love it. Okay. Some buttons. Okay, so I need to put them on myself. Screw them on. Okay. Now, pulls out, this pulls out. They should pull out too. But how? That's the question. This is the battery, I'm guessing. I have to charge this before. Actually, this is quite light without the battery itself. The battery itself is what makes the weight, but I guess that's what they need it for. It has to be durable. Okay, that's how they pull out. Okay, okay. Grand. So many different stickers, so many different things saying. What are these? Oh, I think they're the ND filters. No. Some power adapter. These must be the filters. If only I ever knew how to open these things. Oh, there we go. Oh my god, they're tiny. But so handy to have, and 3 of them. Isn't that amazing? Okay, the ND filters. I'm guessing this is the charging station for all the batteries. It is. Okay, so where did I put the batteries? Okay, so there's the batteries. And some more stuff. Cables. Okay. How does that plug in? Okay, I'm guessing that is how. Battery number 2. Now, don't laugh at me, but does anybody actually need that many batteries? Although the flight time is supposed to be half an hour, so I mean you are getting an hour and a half out of 3 batteries, so that's not bad. So I guess yes, everybody does need 3 batteries. Now, what do I do next? I'm guessing I have to plug this in to power. Nope. Oh, this goes here. But let's take the plastic off. I don't want my house to go on fire, explode or whatever. But how the hell do I take this off? Why is there so much plastic on everything? Okay. This plugs in. That plugs in here, I'm guessing. And then let's go plug this in so it charges so that I can actually start this drone. Alright, so while the batteries are charging, I'm gonna see what else I have here. That's all the manuals, propellers, and a manual, which probably will come in handy. I don't like reading manuals, I never really do, but I feel like with this I'm gonna have to. Now let's not lose this. Some cables, propellers. So these are little foamy things. I will keep them because when I travel I will keep them, because when I will be traveling I'll probably will want to protect those little screws whenever travel is possible again. Now, did I ever tell you that I was supposed to be in Iceland this month? Yep, my birthday is coming up and I said I'm going to spend my birthday in Iceland. The whole family was meant to go, but thankfully we didn't book anything because we're now in a lockdown again. So I wouldn't be able to go anyway. I guess I'm smarter than I thought I am. So yeah, overall it seems quite impressive and I can't wait to get my hands on it to get started. I probably will do another video of how I'm actually getting on and, you know, a review of how it flies and me putting it to test. The weather's supposed to be quite bad this week, so I'll probably give it a rest. You know, read up on all the specs, manuals, how to actually use it before taking it outside properly. But yeah, apart from that, I'm really excited. It's been way too long and can't wait to fly it.